Today unboxing is on this massive Mercedes-Benz Actros car carrier from Mini GT. I'm always excited about Mini GT release every month. Always surprise me with a lot of fantastic casting. This Actros has the capability to fit on 6 Mini GT castings or any model cars in 1/64 scale from other brands. The Actros comes in a huge elongated box in black with the standard Mini GT design. The selling point for this Actros is the turning front wheel and also the functional ramp. Others include die-cast metal construction, accurate undercarriage, and rolling wheels with rubber tires. Wow, very impressive. Very well executed casting with a lot of efforts invested onto the Actros. Highly detailed front with a chrome Mercedes badge. Side mirror comes in plastic for the Actros, unlike the others which come in elastic. Wheel set looks realistic and accurate in chrome finish. Really amazed by the details, all in 1:64 scale. The turning front wheels is really a unique selling point. No doubt it looks great in die-cast photography. Accurate and highly detailed base. The striking yellow and black color scheme is what draws me in to purchase this Actros. First impression of the car carrier is heavy and it looks very realistic. The whole casting looks solid and sturdy. Of course there are intricate parts but I don't have the fragile feel. Ramp is functional, you just need to slide it out. Parts like this really have to handle with care, although I feel it's not as fragile as TLV. Assembly is fast free. Rolls extremely well, can be maneuvered in any direction. And now to load up the 6 selected Mini GT casting onto the carrier. I have no doubt it will look great with any Mini GT casting you can mix and match, or even with any model cars from other brands in your collection. I'm going to take some nice photo shoot of this Actros with Mini GT and also perhaps with my TLV yellow Ferraris. I have been waiting for this Actros for a long time. Very happy to have it on hand, and it's really a solid casting. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!